faster than
5.
Bump it up to 8.
Okay.
Alright, see those last stumps over here?
No.
Front row, last stumps? That's what we're doing. Not a lot of fish, but I'm fixing to put you on fish.
There's a stump. Oh, am I going to be vertical jigging?
Cast toward that stump. Give it about a 6 count. No, 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 let it drop, let it drop, let it drop. Okay, slowly reel. You gotta jerk. Dude, I saw him hit it.
Trying.
I know you're trying. Alright, straight out that way. About 20 foot. Straight out. Right there. Go ahead and turn your seat that way.
I can't.
I know. We could do some maintenance on that seat. Or Paul suggested just throwing it away.
Wherever you put me that last time.
Straight up that way. Huh? Put your what?
Wherever you told me to put it the first time. Like by the stump.
Yeah.
I want to go there.
Alright, we'll go. Count to 6. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly reel.
Holy crap, dude.
He may be decent. He's good size. He's good size. Don't horse him. Don't horse him. Yeah.
Yeah. The biggest crappie ever.
That's a pretty good size. That's a pretty good size crappie there. Here, let's go measuring.
Oh, yeah.
Can you see?
About.
Nice little 13-inch eater to start us off.
Woohoo!
Here, you hold him. I'm not gonna hold him. You hold him.
It's a pretty good eater.
All right, hand him to Miss Jen.
Calm down, buddy. I'm gonna go ahead and put the jig through.
Okay, I'm gonna go tie it here for time's sake, but you need to start practicing your tying.
Yes, sir.
What you can do is you just sit in the boathouse or you sit in the living room and you just tie. You tie, 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 tie.
I got caught. My finger.
Got him. That's why we're having trouble catching.
Might just be the exact same one you just caught.
Hang on, you're tangled up. We only see. All right, so here's a good example. See how we only see one dot?
Yeah.
That tells me that you're wrapped around your weight. So reel it in. See, you're wrapped around your weight. Okay, so let me have it. Where are you dropping?
Right there. Right on his face.
No. Yeah, you drop it on his tail, but go ahead. Keep dropping, keep dropping, keep dropping. Keep dropping. Right there. Hold it. Slowly bring it up. There you go. You got him. You're bringing him up. See him?
Net.
Go ahead and flip him in. Flip him in.
You got it. You got
Gosh, he's heavy.
Yeah.
Holy moly. Oh.
All Alright, give us some slack, please. There you go. Now you hold him.
Well, I can set the pole somewhere.
Now pull the jig out. You got him?
Where's the jig?
You got him good, didn't you?
Taking him back to the boat ramp.
Yep, taking him back to the boat ramp. Good job.
Look at that slab. Holy crap.
Come on out of there, you big beast. Atta baby. Look how thin that guy is. Thin, thin, thin.
What happened to his tail?
I don't know. Something. There's still a big one in there. Look at him. There he is right there. Got him. He's gonna be good size. Oh, come on, baby. Wow. Boat ramp. Absolutely hooked. Just dead. I mean, we could have drug him. We could have drug him back to the boat ramp.
Looks like he's a...
I was just about to give up on him.
Gotta catch him. What's the score?
Got him. Oh, he is a hog, baby. Oh, he's a hog. Oh my God. It's been a slow go this morning, but that's because we're searching for the big ones. What are we searching for?
The slab.
The slabs.
Is it a big one?
That one is.
Yeah, we're putting some slabs in the boat.
Oh wow, look at him. Got him. Miss Jen, you want to help me catch some of these?
Yeah.
Luke, you want to help catch?
Sure.
They absolutely are destroying it as soon as you get it down there.
Well,
You've been just picking at one and here, so.
I know, but I'm just telling you. It's
Just coming off the bottom.
yeah. Luke, will you record the screen?
Yeah.
Got him. Something a little bit different here on Lake Cherokee. We decided this morning that we weren't going to go after the numbers like we have the rest of the week, or earlier in the week. So we decided to go after big fish. So did manage to keep, caught 11. Missed one fish that we targeted. The rest of them we saw, we targeted, and we put them in the boat. So what do you think?
It's a good day for fishing.
Yep. So we're gonna get these cleaned up and get them in the freezer.